What's up, you guys? This is your boy Flexi from the PS3 Arena NA, coming to you with a second update of our channel. So yeah, thanks for the 1,000 subs for the total upload views. Hoping to hit 1,000 views for channel views. Hope you guys keep posting comments and doing your thing. IRL video coming out. We'll have the email and the link in description, so please be ready for that. And yeah, some couple of things that I want to announce. We do need another, like I said, we do need an icon. I have an intro for us, but yeah, I guess it was taking too long for him to render it. It was taking too long for the thing to render, so yeah, he's trying to do it again. So I have an intro for us. I got a person that's doing our background. We just need an icon, which I'm really waiting for. So for those of you who are watching our videos and being active, at least sending us messages, trying to be sponsored, thanks for that. If you guys do make icons, please hit us up. Don't be a random. Please just be nice. Drop a sub, comment, like our videos, or favorite them, comment on them. Just do anything to help our channel to get known. Do like what you guys been doing for 30 best rankings. Comment. You guys been commenting like every second, so do that for us. You know, come to us, post that you host the intervention lobbies and all that good stuff. It just help the community, and yeah, I don't want no drama on my channel, nothing like that. I want you guys to be active on our channel, because I mean, we're active. You can't say we're not. We're active. I'm just trying to always hit 100 views on our channel. That's why I don't upload daily like I said I was going to do. So yeah, well, I'm trying to be active. Lights is they're all, I'm sorry, Lights, I love you, but you guys are biased. Voice is just a random. PSN competitive, they haven't posted nothing in like a whole month now. So PS3 Lodge, I guess they're alright. Best 1v1 era, they getting out there. Just come to us, you guys. You know, do your thing. You know, whatever. So this has been your boy Flexi, and yeah, I'm out. You know, like this video, favorite this video. Link in the description will be the emails. That's exactly what the email will be. So your boy Craigo Jr. I'm sorry, not Craigo Jr. anymore. So add my main Flexi, boy Flexi, and I'm out.